Hey, what's up, yo? Welcome back to the channel, man. Quick little video, man. It's more like an update video. What been going on? I know I've been away from the channel for the past 3-4 weeks, something like that. I haven't been able to drop anything yet. Reason why, I got no footage. COVID hit home, man. My wife tested positive for COVID. I've been tested negative. I got tested 3 times already. But still, I cannot go to work until she gets a negative result. So we've been just here at the house, man. To be honest with you, I've been just staying busy working around the house. I don't like being inside the house. I think being inside the house just make things worse. So I've been cleaning up the yard, cutting down some trees, burning leaves, whatever, man. I've been just staying busy, and I finally got a chance to start cleaning up my garage, man. Today, what I'm doing, to be honest with you, I didn't even think about making a video right now, man. I've been just trying to stay busy. A couple of personal things been going on. But trying to stay busy, man. I came back doing the spark plugs again. I don't know if I said it already. I'm doing the spark plugs in the car, 79 wagon. Spark plugs, wires, and... man, I forgot what is it called. Hammer. Oh my God. Distributor cap. There it goes, man. So I just posted a little picture on Instagram. My boy Lowe's. Check him out. Check his channel out. Lowe's in the drop. He's like, man, why you not dropping a video? I needed to, man. I'm glad I'm doing it right now. Again, just an update of what's going on. Again, this is just basic maintenance. This right here, the spark plugs, the sugar cap, and the wires, I bought them since I bought the wagon. I haven't been able to get a chance to do it. Work, flea market, moving things around. I've been just busy, man. Matter of fact, yesterday was the first time I started working on my things. Even though I've been home, I've been doing everything else that I gotta be done at the house. But when I say my things, I refer my cars, my garage, my tools. I haven't been able to do none of that. So yesterday we started cleaning up, man, and guess what? I found parts for the wagon. I found parts for the Caprice. I found parts for the Impala. Man, I got all these boxes for my other wagon, for the 61 wagon. So I've been trying to organize everything. Again, I know this is not my regular video, but man, just trying to let you know what's been going on with me, man. Let me show you real quick what's going on. So as you can see, I got 4 spark plugs out already. We did this side already. What I'm doing right now, to be honest with you, I didn't even know I had the wires. I thought these wires were for my glass house. I also got wires for the glass house, but as I was cleaning, where's it at? Let me show you real quick what I got going on. Every time I get parts, here it goes. 79 Caprice wagon. So sometimes, man, whenever I see deals, I get them. So I start stacking up parts. 61, I'm the same way, and I got a lot of parts for the 61. I bought all these when I first got the wagon. I was in the process of moving some of the stuff that I had in my other house to this house, and I got caught up, never got a chance to do it. So finally, man, I knew I had the spark plugs somewhere. I was cleaning up, I found them. As you can see, also label 79 Caprice wagon. I like to label everything, all the parts when I get them, because sometimes I don't get to them right away, and I don't want to, get confused. Some of these parts are the same because all cars got the 350 engine. I just like to label what I got for each car. Again, what we're doing today is spark plugs, wires, and we got the distributor cap. He's brand new. Again, this is the wagon. Ever since I got it, I really haven't done anything to her. The only thing that I did in it was a alternator and a battery. Other than that, I haven't touched anything else. I bought all these to do a tune-up. I still gotta do oil change. Gotta do filter. I'm gonna need a new air filter too. Little by little, man. Again, we've been home for 4 weeks, and I've been just staying busy, cleaning up, working on the jar. Taking care of things that I had to. But man, I'm gonna tell you, this glass house is not where I wanted to be, man. It is running. You can see it's on the other side now. I took the Caprice to the back, and I brought the wagon over here. I don't want to touch the cars because working on the cars requires money, and we don't got no money coming in right now, so we're just cleaning up. I'm glad I'm cleaning up because look at all the things that I got right now, man. I know I got way more things in the back garage. The back garage is still a mess. This one is getting there, man. It's getting there little by little. Had tools all over the place. I was doing this yesterday, fixing all my drawers, making sure I know what I have. But he's getting there, man. I still gotta fix all my wrenches. I separated everything that is metric and standard. I gotta go through them. I know I got double sets. The reason why I got double sets, I got two garage, one in the front, one in the back. So I like to keep a set on each garage. But that's it, man. Little update been going on. Again, COVID hit home, but I've been good. Tested negative 3 times already. We gotta go test every 8 days. All my tests been coming back negative, but I don't want to expose anybody that I don't have to. I need to go back to work, to be honest with you. We're running out of money. So, anyways, man, this is why I haven't been able to drop any videos lately. But we're still here, man. Blessed to see another day. Blessed to be alive, man. So yeah, take care, man. Once I get out, man, I'm trying to be more consistent on my videos, man. Thank you for watching.